Students, welcome to our channel. As we are in the series of trigonometric ratio, prove that in previous video I have solved you 1 and 2 question, and now in this video I will solve you 3 and 4 question. That is 2 question of trigonometric proof that. So I hope you enjoy this video, and in further video I will upload such proof that in a series and in continuous process. So let's enjoy the video today. So here is question number 3, that is prove that sec square a minus 1 dot cos square a equals to sin square a. As I have already told you that this is LHS, left hand side of equals to sin, and this is RHS, right hand side of equals to tan. So from which side we gonna start our proof? That means look at the question carefully and think that from which side it is easier to get another side. So while looking from this question, it is a bit clear that from LHS, if we start from LHS, then it is easy to get RHS. So let's start from LHS. From LHS, that is left hand side. So what is in the left hand side? Sec square a minus 1 multiply cos square a. Yes or no? So sec square a minus 1 is multiplied with cos square a. So let's multiply. That is first term is multiply with first term, that is sec square a multiply cos square a minus 1 multiply with cos square a. It is clear. So sec square a means 1 upon cos square a dot cos square a. How it's come means it is also another formula. Student, I told you that the any formula that is written in right hand side using such bracket or therefore sign, then it is formula that is sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. Like as cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. They are reciprocal to each other. Okay. Now 1 into cos square theta, cos square a, this minus sign as it is, and 1 minus cos square theta cancel, that is 1 minus cos square a remains. Yes or no? And 1 minus cos square a means sin square a. That is another formula. 1 minus cos square a equals to sin square a. That is also another formula. So students, you may feel or you may imagine that how there is a formula in every step, because trigonometry is such a topic or such a topic that we have to use formula in each and every step, and we have to remember the formula very carefully and very strongly. So it is also not so much difficult to understand the formula. So this is RHS proved. We have proved number 3 question. So I think you understand this, and let's prove another question, that is tan square theta minus cot square theta equals to sec square theta multiply 1 minus cot square theta. So if you do from each and every if you do from any of the side, you can get answer. So we will start from left hand side also, from LHS, because commonly we used to do from left hand side and we prove right hand side. It's a bit easy for us. So tan square theta minus cot square theta, that is in LHS. So I have already told you in my previous video, in previous part, that is formula of tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Yes or no? So let's write here, that is tan square theta means sin square theta upon cos square theta. Yes or no? Minus cot square theta means I have already told you in previous video, that is cot theta equals to cos theta upon sin theta. That is formula. Cos square theta upon sin square theta. There are altogether 15 or 16 formula. If you remember these all formula, then it will be easy for you solving all the trigonometrical proof from your exercise book, and you should not have to worry about this. Now let's take LCM between two terms, that is LCM is sin square theta multiply into cos square theta. Yes or no? Then while doing LCM, cos square theta is already here, and here is no sin square theta too. So let's multiply sin square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta into cos square theta. As it is here is taken LCM. So sin square theta into sin square theta of square minus cos square theta into cos square theta of square upon sin square theta dot cos square theta. Okay, students. Now what we gonna do is, here is a square minus b square is in factorization. We have already solved that a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? Where is the value of a is sin square theta and the value of b is cos square theta. So a plus b means sin square theta plus cos square theta, and a minus b means sin square theta minus cos square theta. Yes or no? Sin square theta minus cos square theta upon LCM as it is, that is sin square theta multiply cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, as we have already written in question number 1. Prove that question number 1, that is sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Multiply sin square theta minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta minus cos square theta upon sin square theta dot cos square theta. Okay students, now what we gonna do is, we gonna simplify, or we gonna take a divide sign on both side. That is, we gonna take the divide sign on both side, means this divide sign is for both the term. Yes or no? This divide sign is for both the terms. So if we use this in one terms, then it can also be used in another term also. That is, this divide sign is for both term. Yes or no? That is sin square theta upon sin square theta dot cos square theta. Yes or no? Because this divide sign or this denominator or this LCM is for these two terms, minus cos square theta upon sin square theta dot cos square theta. It is also called separating the denominator. Separating the denominator, that is sin square theta and sin square theta get cancelled, then 1 upon cos square theta remains. Yes or no? Here remains 1 upon cos square theta minus cos square theta cancel, that is 1 upon sin square theta. Yes or no? 1 upon sin square theta. Or let's not cancel this, because we have to prove cot square theta. So 1 upon cos square theta sec square theta, 1 upon cos square theta sec square theta minus cos theta into minus cos square theta upon sin square theta dot 1 upon cos square theta, as it is. Sorry for the rough students. Let's write this as it is, and 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta. Yes or no? Multiply cos square theta upon sin square theta cot square theta. As I have already told you in previous video that cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta. So cos square theta upon sin square means cot square theta. So here is sec square theta and here is also sec square theta. So let's common them one, that is 1 minus cot square theta. When you take common from these two expressions, sec square theta, here is remains once minus as it is in cot square theta. So this is RHS, which is proved. This is RHS, which is proved. So students, why I haven't got this cos square and cos square? Because we should also have to look at our RHS, that if we gonna cut this, then our RHS will not come. So we should not have to cut there. Okay. So students, thought this much. I hope that you understand this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. And mostly you should have to subscribe this channel, because in further video I will upload same such proof that of Asmita publication as a series. So don't miss that video. Thank you.